Hi everybody, thanks for watching. You may be thinking these are all really huge numbers. How could any one of them possibly be the biggest or the smallest? Well, let's do the math. That's the purpose of math, isn't it? To put order into our universe? Let's give it a try. Usually we use scientific notation to express and compare very large numbers. So let's put all our numbers into a power of 10. We'll start with number of stars in the universe. Google says if you take a rough estimate of 10 trillion galaxies in the universe times the 100 billion average number of stars in a galaxy, you get this many stars in the universe. That is a 1 followed by 24 zeros, or 10 to the 24th. Let's try B, the number of seconds since the Big Bang. Again, Google says it's been 10 billion or 10 to the 9th years since the Big Bang. So multiply that by 365 days in a year, 24 hours in a day, 60 hours, 60 minutes in an hour, and 60 seconds in a minute, and you get 10 to the 16th seconds. All right, C, the number of orderings of a deck of 52 cards. Well, after you shuffle a deck of cards, there are 52 choices for the card on top, then 51 for the second card, 50 choices for the third card, and so on. So using the multiplication principle of counting, the number of possibilities is 52 times 51 times 50 times 49, and so on, which can be notated in math as 52 factorial. And a calculator or computer software tells us that's about 10 to the 68th. So that's our biggest number so far, isn't it? Let's look at D, the number of NCAA tournament possibilities. So we have 64 teams that play 32 games in the first round, 16 games in the second round, 8 games in the third round, 4th in the regionals, 2 in the final 4, and then comes the championship. So that's a total of 63 games. At each stage in your bracket, there are 2 choices for the winner of each game. So you have 2 to the 63rd power, or about 9.2 quintillion possibilities, or 10 to the 18th. And ladies and gentlemen, it looks to me like we have a winner. Amazing, isn't it? Notice that the number of ways to shuffle a deck of cards is so big that even if you could shuffle the deck every second, you'd never be able to get to them all, even if you started at the beginning of time. Which, by the way, means that every time you shuffle a deck, that order has probably never come up before, and therefore, you are making history. And there, ladies and gentlemen, are your fun facts of math. Thanks for watching.